Hello everyone. Today let us see what is pronoun and what are the types of pronoun. Before we start into it, let us understand the need of learning about pronouns. See, in the day-to-day communication, pronoun has become an essential part of a language and it plays a very crucial role in communication. Generally, when we refer to people, object, and ideas, it helps us express ourselves clearly and efficiently. So we need to understand the use of pronoun correctly to effectively convey our thoughts, ideas, and emotions to others. On top of it, when we interact with people at the society level, yes, when we are closely tied to social interactions and relationships, we need to use appropriate pronoun to refer to other people, that is he, she, they. Yes, they all refer to the gender identity and expression, and it also helps us to, that is the environment where we feel respected for the identity. On top of it, for the language development, this becomes a fundamental part of it, especially for young children, because learning pronouns help children understand how words can represent people, objects, and ideas, and how they can use the language to express their thoughts and emotions. So, in the development of the skills that are related to grammar, syntax, and sentence structure, for effective communication, learning pronoun is very important, particularly in the professional communication. Yes, in the workplace or academic environments, usage of appropriate pronouns when addressing your colleagues, clients, or students. How to create a respectful and inclusive work or learning environment. Yes, so to foster the professionalism, effective communication skills, it is very, very important in various professional settings to understand what a pronoun is all about. Now, to enter into the topic, let us understand the importance of pronoun and what is a pronoun. Yes, to define. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun or noun phrase to avoid repetition. It allows us to refer to a person, place, thing, or idea without using its name. So I have given a couple of examples. He went to the store. So the pronoun he replaces a specific person's name. She loves to read books. Here, she refers to a specific person. It is raining outside. Talks about the weather. And they are going to the park. Here, they replaces a group of people. So, in general, this is what a pronoun is all about. Now, let us look into the various types of pronouns: personal, possessive, reflexive, demonstrative, interrogative, indefinite pronouns. So let us see in detail with a couple of examples each and every type of pronoun. To begin with, what is a personal pronoun? See, personal pronouns, they are all words that are used to replace the names of people or things in a sentence. So here we can divide it into three categories: first person, second person, third person. So first person pronouns, they refer to the speaker or writer. That is I, we. Second person pronouns, it refers to the person being addressed. You, right? Third person pronouns, they refer to a person or thing that is not the speaker or the person being addressed. So we use he, she, it, they, etc. Yes, I have given one example against each pronoun, each type of personal pronoun. The next is possessive pronoun. The word possessive itself show it is a ownership, right? A possessive pronoun, this is a type of a pronoun that is a possession of a particular object or idea. They are often used to avoid repeating a noun and to make a sentence less repetitive. So, some of the examples of possessive pronoun are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. So, you have to note that the possessive pronouns do not have apostrophes like possessive nouns. And possessive pronouns also have no gender or number, and they must agree with the noun they replace in terms of singular or plural form. Right? So, one or two examples I have given here. Then, reflexive pronouns. These are a type of pronoun that are used when the subject and the object in a sentence are the same. In other words, we can call reflexive pronouns reflect back to the subject of a sentence. Right? So the examples are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. So in all of these examples, the reflexive pronoun is used to refer back to the subject of the sentence. So without the reflexive pronoun, the sentence would not make sense or would have a different meaning, right? So we will move on to the next type of pronoun, that is demonstrative. This is a type of a pronoun that is used to indicate a specific noun or group of nouns. They are often used to point out something or someone and to distinguish them from other things or people. So some examples of demonstrative pronoun are this, that, these, those. In each of these, the demonstrative pronoun is used to indicate a specific noun or group of nouns. This is my favorite movie. Those are my shoes. Yes. So, these, they refer to something that is nearby, that is within the reach of oneself. But that and those, they refer to something that is farther away. So that's the difference with the use of this, these, and that and those. Next, we'll move on to interrogative pronoun. An interrogative pronoun is a type of pronoun that is used to ask questions. They are used to inquire about a specific noun or group of nouns, and they are often placed at the beginning of a sentence. So some examples of interrogative pronouns are who, whom, what, which, whose, right? They all are used to ask a question about a specific noun or a group of nouns. Here, who and whom are used to inquire about people, while what and which are used to inquire about things. When you look at the first example, who is coming to the party? Here it inquire about the people. Look at the second example, which color do you prefer? This inquire about things, right? And whose is used to inquire about ownership. Okay, so this is what interrogative pronoun is. Next, we shall look at indefinite pronoun. An indefinite pronoun is a type of pronoun that refers to a noun that is not specifically named or identified in a sentence. They are used to refer to an unspecified person, place, or thing, and they do not indicate a specific number or gender. So, some example of indefinite pronouns are someone, anyone, everyone, nobody, somebody, anything, everything, nothing, each, both. When you look at these examples, here the indefinite pronoun refers to an unspecified noun. Someone, anyone, and everyone refer to an unspecified person, while something and anything refer to an unspecified thing. Each and both refer to a specific number of people, things, but they do not indicate the gender or identity of the nouns they refer to. So, this is how you have to understand the use of pronouns under each category. When you categorize a person or a place or a thing, how does it refer to each and every identity? That is very important in understanding of the pronouns. So, learning pronoun, to conclude, when I say the essential of learning a pronoun is very much effective for communication, for social interactions, for each and every individual's language development, professional communication. In all these aspects, it is very much important. Yes, and also to improve your communication skill in a very effective manner, to use language under various contexts, to enhance your ability to understand. Yes, and also to be understood by others. Knowing about pronoun is very, very important. So that's all for the day. We'll meet you again in yet another video. If you like the lecture, you can please like, comment, and share, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.